make yourself Roblox. So basically, I have to take off this. Okay, where's the gadget? Oh, there he is. Okay, take off. And how you need a bacon avatar. I think body. And click this this guy, and he's supposed to be a bacon. Yeah, I cannot find the bacon. Anyways, take off the head. And now let's create Roblox. You need this. Roblox. Wait lang, mag-Roblox. So, I have a twin.
Ano ginagawa mo?
Wala, mag-record lang, tapos gagawa ng Roblox, sarili.
May Robux ka? Uy, dami mo Robux.
12. 12 lang yan. So, basically, I have to find this.
Ano to? Nangyari mo pa yun?
Is this one? This one? Yeah, it's that. And...
Pina-join mo ako nito?
Oh.
Kagabi?
Oh, sabi ko, huwag maguli. Oh no, I need a hat. Wait.
Ba't di nakaupos yung Robux mo?
Di ko yan eh.
Ba't pinayagan ako ni Mama mag-cellphone?
Siyempre.
Tapos pinayagan niya ako bumaba, di ba?
Okay, so I need a hat.
Ito ko nga na ito na siya. Pero wala na Robux.
Inubos mo, no?
Hindi. Ubus lang talaga yun.
Ako nga, hindi. Oh, inubos.
Di ba nagbili ako na ako. Nagbili ako doon.
I don't have, it's kind of bald, so I don't have, I'm not the owner. So I need, Roblox.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you need a Roblox hat. So yeah, basically.
Go. Wait. What? And
So done. The Roblox is done. Goodbye.